All right, good morning, and welcome to RV Hitched and Rolling. We're enjoying a beautiful sunrise this morning, and the birds are singing, and it's signaling time for us to leave this campsite. So this morning we're gonna do a video, and we're gonna show you as we dump our black and gray tanks. So I'm heading back over to our RV, and I'm gonna go ahead and pause now until we get there. All right, see you soon. Okay, so we're back. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do before I dump my black tanks is I wanna go ahead and switch my water from the city water supply to my black tank flush. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my water supply here, and then I'm gonna go over here and move my hose so that it moves away from the city water supply to my black water flush. All right, you're gonna get a little water coming out of this because there's still water in the hose line. Oh, we didn't have that much there. Now, once I connect this, I'm not gonna turn my water back on right away. I'm gonna start my drain first, and after the drain, then I'll use this to flush out anything that's left in my black tank. All right, so once you've done that, you're gonna look under your RV, and you're gonna find where your black tank flushes. I have a sign right here showing that my black is right here and my gray holding is right there. So this handle here, all you have to do is pull it, and I can hear my black tank flushing out now. So it should all be running down, running through my hose. And what I have right here is I have a side winder. That's what this black thing is holding my tank. And what that's good for is it helps the water move at an angle coming down, so nothing's just sitting right in your tube. Kind of helps you out. All right, so I'm gonna have my wife pause right now, and we're gonna let this finish flushing, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so our tank's finished flushing. So previously we already moved our water to our flush for my black tank. So now I'm gonna move and turn that water back on. So now the water is gonna be flushing through here, and we're gonna let some get down, and it's gonna flush out our black tank to make sure that everything's out. All right, so while that's flushing, and I can actually see the water coming through, I'm gonna let it run for a little while until the water looks like it's clear. So we're gonna go ahead and pause again, and I'll be right back. Oh, okay, so while we paused, I did something I forgot to say it earlier. So I actually closed my black tank. I let some run through. I pushed the handle back in to close it because I want the water coming in to flush all around the corners of my tank, so that anything sitting in there can all get washed away. So I closed it for a little bit. It should by now have moved around a little bit. So I'll go ahead and open it up one more time. And now I can see my water is actually coming out pretty clear now. But I am gonna let it run just for a little bit, and after that, then we'll do the same for the gray water tank. So we'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we're done with our black tank now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close off my black tank. And then I'm gonna move over and pull out my gray tank. Now the gray tank, as you know, is just water coming from your sinks and your shower and stuff, so it's not really dirty water. All right, so now I'll just let my gray tank come out, and as you can see, that's really clear water. All right, so that's it for clearing out your tanks. So again, from RV Hitched and Rolling, we hope you guys have happy trails, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and look for us in the future. All right, have a great day.